No, like, I mean, what I'm saying is that, like, like, where is entry point? People enter from here, is it? That's also, no, at least we should have one kind of a gate or something, no? And then the steps. So you want it from here? So they want the entry from here or from there? From that side. Huh? Yeah, we keep food trucks. Yeah. What's the taste for it? Huh? So if I say pumpernight, people will know, no? Huh? Just before reaching Nohthlong, you must have seen the beautiful rolling hills. So this is where we are, and from a tourism point of view, we feel that this has to be really promoted. So we will be working towards promoting this, and I urge tourists from all over, please come and experience this, see this beautiful place, and enjoy this beautiful place. Thank you so much. You show the shots and everything. This side apartment, right? I have a lake, didn't know this. Which apartment? This is the opposite. Thank you. Oh, photo. Imagine where you are. Nobody can imagine this is in Nohthlong. Yeah, we did this. Yeah.
Yeah, even now also they are booking, they will come.
Wow. Great.
Yes, they said that they like the, the location.
Yeah, with water.
Yeah.
So now what they need is activity, you see. You have to do some activity.
Yes, like boating and all.
Boating also, even a breakfast in the morning. Suppose you put up a small table there.
Yes.
You see, just a table chair of having coffee in the morning there, or evening tea. Like if you put a table chair here and say, sir, there's a evening tea. I would love to just sit here and have tea.
Next time, sir.
Yeah, next time definitely. I'll come with family
Okay,
and we'll book.
Yeah.
So your area is which one? All the way to there?
No, sir. Right from that homestay and then this area.
This also?
Yes, and then at the back side.
Okay. So we have empaneled architects. These are professionals. But we are allowing people to use them. You don't have to pay. We are paying them. But to design your cottage, or design the footpath here, or design the small coffee shop restaurant here, you can use their services for free. We have empaneled them, we are paying them. They empaneled by tourism department, but at the service of the public. So you use them, you take advantage of that. Yes, you work on that and then get the design. So because, simple designs, but simple things can make a huge difference. So just try to do that also. So a bit of professionalism we can add, and obviously tradition, and make it a very specific experience. Good. Okay. Good. Yes. Good. Okay, come.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, Khubor